Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Social milestones. In social milestones, vision is follows moving objects. In follows moving objects, up to 45 degrees at birth, or up to 90 degrees at birth, or 180 degrees at 3 months. So in vision, the child will fixate on mother at 1 month of age. The child will have social smile at 6 to 8 weeks. Child recognizes the mother by 12 weeks, and mouthing is established by 6 months. The child will smile at a mirror or image by 6 months of age. Stranger anxiety is seen by 7 months of age. The child will wave bye bye by 9 months of age. Object permanence, that is looking for hidden objects, is seen by 9 months of age. Casting appears by 1 year of age. The child plays peekaboo game by 10 to 12 months of age. The child dresses and undresses himself by 3 years of age, and the child knows the gender, name, color, identification by 3 years of age. Right to left handedness is seen by 4 years of age, which is left and right discrimination is seen by 4 years of age. Bladder control is complete by 5 years of age, that is, never make a diagnosis of enuresis before 5 years. So, bladder control is complete by 5 years of age. Complete bowel control by 4 years of age. Never make a diagnosis of encopresis before 4 years of age. In neurodegenerative disorders, regression of milestones will occur. Regression of milestones and delayed developmental milestones are indicative of central nervous system problems.
thank you and thank you for watching.